Hello, everybody. Brian here, quantlabs.net. Today is the 4th of August, 2:53 a.m. This is a big story yesterday. Thought I would do a video on it. Robinhood, the trading broker or app, axes 23% of its staff. They blame cryptocurrency crash and macroeconomic conditions. I find this a bunch of BS. Badly managed company, very shady company. With the broker I'm with at, Interactive Brokers, I'm not hearing about any layoffs there. And we're going to go over some other developments that have happened as well. Robinhood, second quarter, which slow, 44% fall in revenue compared to the same period year before, on declining monthly active users and assets under custody. Not a good company. I would not be with these companies for a variety of reasons. This I'm going to go into detail here, I believe. So this was another story. Funny timing. August 2nd, yesterday, Robinhood crypto division fined $30 million by New York financial regulator on CNBC. Crypto division for significant failures in areas of anti-money laundering and cybersecurity regulations. It's the same old schlocky thing over at Coinbase. Do not like them, do not recommend them. Anti-money laundering, cybersecurity was inadequately staffed and did not have sufficient resources to address risks. First, crypto sector enforcement by the New York State Department of Financial Services. What can I say? This is just an absolutely joke of a company. Any person that wants to trade with them should really get their head examined and go with a reliable broker. Interactive Brokers is not my favorite either, but on the other hand, it matters because this is what matters. I'm sure you may know, as you can see here in Yahoo Finance, this came out in July 28th last year, 2021. On Yahoo Finance, Citadel Securities would buy Robinhood if regulators crack down on this one. Moneymaker, Interactive Brokers founder. There's an actual interview with him. But this is the interesting chart. Now, as I said, there's the good old, really bad order flow. Meaning they sell your order flow to companies like Virtu, Citadel. Virtu's an HFT operator. Again, very schlocky right here. This is from the founder. If they were to prohibit payment for order flow, what has to happen, you would have Citadel buy Robinhood and Schwab buy Virtu. And two sides would be put together into one company. Alright, so this is how schlocky the whole brokerage industry is. I mean, not much better than the crypto. Here, when you look at TD Ameritrade's part of it, big chunk. Robinhood, number 2. Right there, E-Trade and Charles Schwab. These are the schlocky brokers that, like, selling order flows illegal here in Canada, legal in Europe, Britain. They don't allow it. That's how bad it is in the U.S. People are getting treated. People are getting traded against. I don't know why they allow it. And that was last year. And they still have major problems at Robinhood just yesterday and today. So you got to really ask yourself and get your head examined. Why are you with this exchange? Just evil. Anyhow, Interactive Brokers is a little cleaner. You don't see Interactive Brokers here. They don't sell your order flow. Another big one last year, I believe. It's actually 2020. SEC charges Robinhood Financial with misleading customers about revenue sources and failing to satisfy duty of best execution, meaning the order flow. So why be on it? Okay, I'm with Interactive Brokers. As I said, it's not the best broker. Support's fairly questionable. But the thing is, if you watch this interview in the video, he says that the difference between a Robinhood customer is like young, I can't remember but they only have average $3,000 in their accounts. Meanwhile, the Interactive Brokers, the average age is 42 client with $250,000 average in their accounts. And this is where you go if you want to do the professional stuff. And yeah, I know the software sucks, but there's ways to get around that. Set up your TWS, Trader Workstation, and use something like on the front end to connect to using something like Motorwave. It'll make your life a lot easier. But from an API, Interactive Brokers is still a little better. But what I didn't know is Ameritrade, TD Ameritrade sell order flow. I did not know that. But it's just something that you got to really be cognizant of. Also, I do believe the ETF selection is way better. You don't get better on Interactive Brokers. That's where I trade right now. It's fairly effective. Still kind of trying to work out a really good strategy with all the data and tools and data I can generate. Anyways, if you want to know more about that, just go to quantlabs.net/ETF, get on the emailing list, name, email, submit, and then we do not sell your info or release it to anybody. Thanks for watching.